Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about a historical chess game that was played back in 1809 between Napoleon Bonaparte and the Turk. So as you all know, Napoleon was the emperor of France became the emperor of France in 1799 after the French Revolution and was known as one of the most powerful military commanders and building one of the largest empires which ruled much over continental Europe before its collapse in 1815. Napoleon had a deep love for chess, but he could not work on his skills because of him fighting wars. So now the Turk was a fake playing machine constructed in the late 18th century from which lasted from 1770 to 1854 until it was burned and later revealed that it was a hoax. The Turk was operated by a chess master who used to hide inside the machine and play. During the game, the Turk was operated by Johann Algayer, who is another chess master. So the game is as follows: Napoleon playing the white pieces and the Turk playing the black pieces. So e4, e5, queen to f3, and this is known as the Napoleon opening, as this is one of his famous chess games. Knight to c6, bishop to c4. Nothing sophisticated here. White's direct aim is to checkmate. Knight to f6, knight to e2, planning to castle. Bishop to c5, a3. a3 is a pleasant move as white can play b4 and then bring his bishop to b2, and a3 is also doing the job of preventing the knight from coming to b4. a3, d6, a development move. Black plans to bring his bishop to g4 and develop his pieces. Castles, bishop to g4, queen to d3, knight to h5, h3, bishop takes e2, queen takes e2, knight to f4, queen to e1, knight to d4. Look at these two well placed knights, and white's pieces have barely developed from the game except the white bishop. Bishop to b3, knight takes h3, and here white is in a bad position. King to h2, queen to h4, threatening checkmate. g3, knight to f3. g3 was a blunder. King to g2, knight takes e1, rook takes e1, queen to g4, d3, bishop takes f2, rook to h1, queen takes g3, king to f1, bishop to d4, threatening mate in next move. King to e2, queen to g2 check, king to d1, queen takes h1, king to d2, queen to g2 check, king to e1, knight to g1, threatening checkmate by queen to e2. Knight to c3 is one of white's last aims to protect his king. After bishop takes c3, b takes c3, and queen to e2 is checkmate. So I hope you learned something from this game, and as you can see in this game, Napoleon made a lot of blunders. He should have developed his pieces early on in the game and castled early, but black was the aggressor completely in this game and took advantage of white's inactivity. So the moral is that you must take advantage of your opponent's inactivity in the game. Thank you.